See, I am working on it. It's just not done yet. Hey guys, welcome to Film Learning, the show dedicated to learning some filmmaking and learning it. And as you can see, this is not the Star-Lord helmet effect. That's kind of what I wanted to open Season 8 with, but it's not done yet, guys, and I really wanted to give you an episode this week, so here we are.
Whoa, what?
Now, you may remember a couple of weeks back when I launched the Thor hammer catch effect. If you haven't, the card's right up there, check that out. I did say that Dan the Blast was working on a Thor hammer sound effects pack, and guess what? He just came out with that. And not only that, he's also come out with the Ultimate Spider-Man sound effects pack as well. In total, across these two packs, there is over 100 sound effects, all for free. How cool is that?
Pretty cool, huh?
Now, as far as the Thor hammer sound effects go, you've got throws, you've got returns / catches, you've got swinging, you've got some summoning of lightning. It's really cool stuff. Now, as far as the Spider-Man sound effects go, there's an absolute butt load of these sound effects, guys. There is over 100 sound effects just in that pack alone. So pretty much any kind of Spider-Man-y sound effect that you could possibly want for your short film or your animation, you're gonna find it in this pack. And did I mention this is free? It's free. So guys, I highly encourage you to either click the card above or the button on the end screen, head to the Blast channel, check out both of these videos and download these sound effects for yourself, because once again, they are free. And is there any downside to this?
No, I think she's hot.
Now, I should also mention that Dan's friend Super Bunny did also help out with the sound effects pack, but according to him, Dan did 99.999999% of the work, but I still wanted to mention him because he's a cool dude. Now gang, I know this isn't the video you're after. As soon as I've got the Star-Lord helmet effect done, it's not going to be a year this time. As you can see, I have actually cracked the tracking. It's just I need to reshoot some stuff. But as soon as that's done, it will be ready to ingest with your eyeballs and your ears. So please, keep an eye out for it because it is coming. And hey, if you did enjoy this video, please smash that like button. I really do appreciate it. And hey, if you are new here, hit that subscribe button below and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss that episode. I've got 2 other videos right over here, as well as my social media crap over here with the Patreon if you want to help support the channel, or you can click that join button below and support the channel directly in YouTube. But until I see you again, guys, keep learning.